Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a tutorial on the look that I'm wearing. Also, it's an unexpected get ready with me because I wasn't planning on going out, but I received a call and I'm going out with my friends tonight. You know that feeling when suddenly you need to go out, but you don't need to stress about doing your makeup because you already have it on your face. You know, it feels so good. I was getting ready without knowing that I was getting ready. Anyways, today is also a very exciting day for me because today is the launch date of the set that I created in collaboration with Sigma Beauty. It looks like that and it includes some of my favorite Sigma Beauty products. So let's open it. Has a card with my face on it. I included the Sigma E25, which is one of my favorite blending brushes. We also included the Sigma E57, which for me is like the perfect multi-purpose brush because I can use it to apply eyeshadows on my eyelids, I can use it to highlight my brow bone, I can also use it to smudge eyeshadows along my lower lashes. I mean, you can do so many stuff with this brush. In the set, you'll also find the Sigma liquid pen eyeliner. I find this eyeliner so easy to use and it's also really dark black color. I'm wearing it right now. And also one of my top favorite Sigma Beauty products is their solid makeup brush cleanser. This is the scrub one. Some of you guys are asking me what I'm using to clean my brushes. This is what I'm using to clean my brushes. It's so convenient. I just need some water and this thing is doing its magic. I'm gonna be honest with you, when I first got this, I was a little bit concerned that maybe the soap that it has inside, it's just going to finish really quickly. But let me tell you, I'm washing my brushes every 1.5 weeks. And I'm talking about a lot of brushes, okay? And it lasts me for a very long time. And even when you use all of the soap, you can still keep on using it because it has those plastic, I don't know how we call that. A video is playing right now. You can see what I'm talking about. And you can still keep on using it. But the cleanser that they actually have pressed inside there cleans the brushes like nothing else. It's really good. So I decided to include it in the kit. I think that you guys will love that. You're also saving 13 bucks if you get these products in the set instead of purchasing them separately. A link is going to be down in the description box where you can just click it. It will bring you to their website and you can get yours. So with that being said, I really hope you guys like the look, and without losing any time, let's go ahead and move on to a tutorial. Alrighty guys, so a few days ago I did a poll in my Instagram stories asking you if you would like to see a tutorial with the new Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and so many of you said that you would like to see something like that. It was like 92% yes and 8% no, so the majority said that a tutorial with this palette is needed, so that's what I'm gonna be using on my eyes today. By the way, I've already filmed a Instagram video with this palette, and I think that now is a great opportunity to promote my Instagram. If you don't follow me on there, go ahead and do it now. I'm posting some extra makeup videos, some bonus makeup looks, so if you're interested in seeing them, just go ahead and follow me. Anyways, today I'm gonna focus on the more neutral shades. I want to do something glam but not like crazy colorful. I'll start off by using some eyeshadow primer. I'll go with this one here by Pretty Vulgar. I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid. And the first shade that I'm gonna use is gonna be this one here. It's called Weekender. This is going straight into my crease, and I'm using the Sigma E25. This brush is included in my kit. Next up, I'm gonna pick this dark brown shade here. It's called Good as Gone. I'm taking it just on the tip of that brush and I'm placing that right into my crease. Trying to keep it lower than that previous shade that I just applied. And the good with this brush is that it's really nice for blending, but it's also very precise. See how precisely it added that dark brown shade into my crease. Like, it let me place that color just where I want it. And now that most of the eyeshadow is on my skin, I barely have anything left on my brush. I like to turn it vertically like this and blend it further and higher into my crease. And this way It's a lot easier to diffuse any harsh lines and make sure that everything is as blended as possible. I also shared this technique with you guys a few months back. I can't really remember which video it was, but I remember that I was talking about this trick with this brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the shade called Riff, this one here, and this is going slightly above that darker brown shade that I just applied. And I'm trying not to bring that really up to the crease and to the brow bone, just above that deeper brown shade. And see how nice transition this is creating. If you want the crease color to be a little bit darker, you can always add a couple more layers of the brown shade and again blend it out with the shadow coat Riff. That will add some more depth to the look. Okay, so now I'm switching to the Sigma E57. This is also included in my kit, and I'm gonna take, hold on because I can't find my glitter glue. Oh, here it is. So I'm gonna apply on my eyelid the NYX Glitter Primer. This will make the shimmery eyeshadows really pop and come out a lot more intense and beautiful. I'm loading my brush with this light gold shadow, and this is going in the outer third of my eyelid, just pressing it in here. Oh, look at that. I applied that glitter glue just in the 2/3 of my eyes, so I don't have glitter glue in this area here because I don't really need it there. I won't use any shimmery shadow in the outer corner, so I kept it just where I'm gonna apply those shimmery shades. And next, in the center of my eye, I'm gonna add this one. Today I'm doing the things in reversed order. Usually I would start off with the outer corner and then apply the eyeshadows towards the inner corner of my eye, but today I started from the inner corner and building towards the outer corner. Anyways, so in the outer corner here I used the shade called Punk. This is like super duper pigmented, so you have to be a little bit careful with it. I'm starting off very closely to my lashes and then working my way towards the crease. And I'm connecting it with the crease color right here. Switching to that Sigma E25 blending brush, and using very light hand, I'm diffusing any harsh lines that I may create it with the shade which I just applied in the outer corner. Just very gently blending everything out. Oh, I love it. This look is so fire! From 1 fire emoji to 10 fire emojis. How fire is this look? Comment down below. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Now let's go ahead and add some winged eyeliner. The reason that I included the liquid pen eyeliner in the set is because it's really black. That's what I love about it. It glides on really smoothly and it's just really easy to apply. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face makeup. I already have my foundation. I used the... here it is. I used the Rimmel Match Perfection in the shade Ivory, and now under my eyes I'm gonna add some concealer just to cover up the darkness. I don't really have darkness under my eyes. It's more like bluish purplish color there, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover that because today we want everything to look even and smooth. I'm actually mixing 2 concealers by Milk Cosmetics. This is their Flex Concealer, and the shades that I'm using are light and fair. And I'll quickly set that with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Cupcake. Okay, now let's go ahead and add some definition to this face. Let me just give myself some cheekbones. For contour, I'll use this shade here. This is by Motifs. It's their 3-in-1 contour, bronze, and highlight kit. And I'll also very lightly use the bronzer from that kit, just to kind of blend out the contour. I'm using a dual fiber brush. This is a Sigma F15. And also some blush. This one is by the BAM. It's their Frat Boy blush. Okay. Look how cute packaging. This is the I Heart Revolution Rose Gold Glow palette. Let's go back to the eyes. By the way, I love that on that Urban Decay Born to Run palette, they have a photo of Santorini. I'm so happy that they included that. I feel this palette a little bit closer to me. So I'm gonna smudge some eyeshadows under my lower lashes. I'm gonna start off with the first one that I used in my crease. It's called Weekender. Then I'm gonna add some Riff. And a tiny little bit of that Good Is Gone shadow. The colors that I used in the crease, I'm just adding them under my lower lashes so that everything can look a little bit more put together. I'm just connecting the lower lash line with the rest of the eye makeup. Okay, it's really difficult for me to talk and do my makeup. I'm still practicing that, especially if I'm doing something so close to my eye. Like, I don't want to poke myself in the eye with that brush. It's painful. Just for my own safety, I'm gonna try not to talk to you. I also added some fluffy lashes. These are by Milac and they're called Flirty. I'm gonna tightline my eyes. You can use black. I'm just going with brown one because it's a little bit more soft. I love how the eye look came out. Oh, there's something in my eye. Oh, annoying. Now on the lips, I'm gonna use this Essence Color Boost Matte About Matte. Oh, that's a really clever name. This is a liquid lipstick and I'm using the shade Dusty Rose. It smells really nice. And some lip gloss on top of it. I'm going with the Pretty Vulgar Poisonous Pout. I think this is how it's called. And the shade is Pick Your Poison. I feel like this is like a plumping gloss. I'm using this for the first time today. I feel like a cooling, tickling sensation on my lips. I like it though, it's not bad. Some setting spray. And we're all done. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I also said that in the intro, but my friends just called me and they were like, oh, let's go out for dinner. And it was so sudden because they expect me to be ready in 1 hour. But then I remember, well, I already have my makeup on, so I don't need to do much to get ready, you know. But hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope you have a lovely day or night wherever you are. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do it now. Don't forget to click that bell button right next to the subscribe button because that way you're gonna be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. All of the links down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!